These are some international borders you can casually walk that are basically free tours. So sixth on the list is France, Scotland, Germany, Switzerland Lake. The border runs through the lake down so you can drink German beer and Swiss chocolate in one stroll. Number 5th on the list is Tijuana, San Diego. Tijuana tacos and mariachi energy 1 minute. Then walk over to San Diego for in and out the next. Border hopping is so easy. 4th one on the list is Ventimiglia, France, Italy beach walk. The border is right on the beach so you can walk from French Riviera to Italy Riviera in minutes and eat both easily. Third on the list is the Geneva area. The Switzerland France tram stop. The tram literally stops on the border so you can grab some Swiss cheese and French wine in the same afternoon. Second on the list is Le Puertas. France Spain street line painted like a game, croissants here and tapas there because the border is just a painted line on the road. So you can buy French wine and Spanish jamon in one quick step. First one is Bar Love. Belgium Netherlands cafe table literally sliced in half. Waffles one side and stroop waffles the other. You can literally eat breakfast in Belgium and then lunch in Netherlands without leaving the same table. Walking to a new country like it's nothing. Let's plan the hop with aerial travel. Click the link in bio.